Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This video is a continuation of the New to Gardening series. In this video, I quickly show you how to plant vegetables on an extremely tight budget. If you have only enough money to buy a couple packs of seeds and one bag of topsoil, then you are ready to start a vegetable garden. Regardless of the type of dirt you have in your yard, all that is required is topsoil and a couple packs of your favorite vegetable seeds or vegetable plants. Start by digging a hole. Make sure it's deep enough to plant the vegetable, as well as to add a little extra topsoil around the roots of the vegetable plant. Insert the plant and backfill it with soil. That's it. There's enough topsoil remaining to plant many more vegetables the same way. I say vegetables, but you can also plant melons and cantaloupes in the same way. Also, these steps can be done for seeds. Dig a hole, fill it with topsoil, plant the seed, then add a little more topsoil to cover the seed. So as you can see, raised beds nor 5-gallon buckets are necessary to grow your own food. This is especially true if you are on a tight budget. Just keep in mind, when planting in ground, choose an area that is not susceptible to flooding. I really hope these videos are encouraging to grow food. Prices are surging, quality is low, and availability is getting scarce. Growing your own food is healthier because there are no chemicals, and it's packed with nutrients because you harvest when it's right. This is truly the definition of from farm to table, or yard to table. While growing your own food requires some dedicated time to plant, weed, harvest, preserve, and or eat, it is extremely economical and provides food security. In this example, we budgeted for $20 on seeds and topsoil. Well, one tomato plant can produce 12 pounds or more of tomatoes, which can be used to make spaghetti, soups, sandwiches, and salads, but can also be used to can tomato sauce, salsa, ketchup, spaghetti sauce, and or barbecue sauce. Maybe enough to get you through the fall and the winter. I hope that you will keep checking back for more videos on this channel. I try to keep budget in mind when creating video because there are so many people struggling to make ends meet. And there are so many videos on YouTube of people spending money on products and gear to survive these difficult times. I have read many reviews and listened to people who are discouraged because they do not have the money to make big purchases. So I hope the things that I am sharing on this channel is helpful.